We're at St Michael's in Liverpool. Lovely old station on the Merseyrail network, Northern Line. Putting lifts in to give step-free access. Used to be two very narrow ramps. This used to be the main station for the Liverpool Garden Festival. Behind us is Sefton Park, about a mile away, and Lark Lane Shopping Centre. Lovely little conservation area. And then we get to these stupid barriers that, according to a lady that lives local, have been here since the Garden Festival was built in the 1980s. Really difficult for adapted cycles to get through. Wheelchairs and hand cycles. Could easily be taken away. This has got street lights in, so it's not too bad in the dark, hopefully. A bit slippy with all the leaves on a narrow wheeled bike. Looks like the grounds to an old hall or something. This used to be the priory, said on the signpost, on the gate post. Another barrier here, but at least this one's been forced open. Before it was round that chicane, difficult for wheelchairs. We're on Route 56, the National Cycle Network. We're going to cross now into the Festival Garden site and down to Otterspool Prom. Council wants to make that road that we've just gone over into a dual carriageway, 2 lanes each direction. Heseltine got this built. Then when it was built and finished, after about 6 months, it was just left to rot, empty for years, and then reopened again. Again, talking to locals, the pond, when they dug it out, they didn't seal it properly, so all the water just drains away. Looks like they put geotextile or something down now, but there's still the water leaking away. In front of us, the Festival Guard used to carry on, but now getting redeveloped for housing, etc. Another little quirky feature of the Festival Garden site. Don't know where that goes. Heading towards the River Mersey now. Cycle racks in the middle of nowhere. Again, a water feature with all the water leaking out of it. And more redevelopment here of the site. have been quite a big site where it was open, bringing lots of tourists here. Sadly, very neglected now. And we're coming up to River Mersey. River Mersey in front of us. That way goes up to Otterspool and onwards up to Speak and Halewood. This way goes to Liverpool. Liverpool in the distance, Promenade and the Wirral on the other side of the river. River's tidal here, and it comes in quite fast, it goes out fast and very high. Thanks for watching, come and ride the route, enjoy.